What's happening, y'all? It's Josh, Drive the Coast. Just got this super cool 1986 Buick Grand National, an intercooled car. It does have some modifications on it. Super cool, fast ride. Interior super clean. We're gonna do a walk around video. Check out some of the parts on the car. Check out condition. Talk about it a little bit. Give it a fire up, etc., etc. But this one in particular, like I said, an 86. We also have an 87 T-top. It does have the GNX black wheels on it. Looks super cool. 3.8 liter turbo 6-cylinder, obviously. This one, as far as the paint, definitely driver quality. Could use a repaint if you want it to be super nice. Obviously priced accordingly, but the body is straight, original paint on the car. Never been repainted, so showing its age. Only original once, though, you know what I mean? Doesn't have rust. Clean body panels. See, looking down the side there, it is straight. See those reflections there? Both power windows are working. Just rolled them down. Interior though, super clean. Door panels, very nice. Console, seats look brand new. Really nice condition there. Steering wheel as well. Beautiful shape. Tilt wheel, console looks good. Headliner also nice and tight. Door opens, or sorry, the courtesy light opens when courtesy light turns on when you open the door. There you go. Rear seats look good. Carpet looks brand new as well. Excellent condition there. See that? Dash, same way. AC and heater, both working. Out away from the wall a little bit. Oh, I do have the air conditioning on right now. If you can hear the blower blowing. Tough inside this metal building here, but this is the original Delco stereo unit. Idling real nice. Let's pop the hood. Side of the hood looks nice. This idling really smooth. No smoke, no knocking. Anyway, y'all, if we can earn any business, please let me know. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Power window there. Get the other one. We do have nationwide shipping and financing available. Y'all give me a call. Thanks so much. This is that T-top we have over here. If y'all want that one.